So far, we've been talking about search engine optimization, but what exactly is search engine? And how exactly does search engine works? Because for us to truly understand SEO, we must understand how search engine works. So in this session, I'm going to explain to you how search engine works. The search engine is programmed to work like a human brain, to mimic the human's model of decision making. And this involves the research, the reasoning, and the result. These three stages can be likened to what we refer to as the crawling, the indexing, and the listing. So the first stage of how the search engine works is the crawling. The second stage is the indexing. The third stage is the listing. And it is after the listing and the ranking that we now have our result presented on the search engine result page, what we call the SERP. So for the crawling, the search engine makes use of small programs, bots, or spiders, whichever one is convenient for you. These programs crawl the internet to gather contents. The second phase is the indexing. After the bots, the spiders have gathered this information, this content from all around the world, they index it, which means they try to create a connection between this and that, between this and that. They try to group them. It's like a library where you're trying to arrange books in order. We have maybe alphabetically or based on the genre of the book. That's the process of the indexing. It's the reasoning phase for this search engine. So it analyzes this content is relative to this is related to this particular keywords appear here, appears here, appears here. How do I group them? That's the indexing phase. The third phase is the listing. Now, this requires a little input on the side of the user. When you search or you input a particular keyword into the search query box, let's say for instance iPhone, you type iPhone. Now the search engine now goes back to the listing and say, okay, what do you have for me on iPhones? Then it goes through the content related to iPhone, the website related to iPhone. Now analyze and think, okay, based on your own preference, which one will you likely be looking for? Based on your location, based on your age, are you looking for the perfect iPhone for you? Are you looking for a review on iPhone? Then it brings this result, ranks them in order. We're going to talk about the ranking order in later sessions. Rank them and present them to you on what we call the search engine result page.